Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are gonna learn how to make mandu. First of all, we need to take 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and mix these ingredients by hand. The mixture should be as crumbly as this. After that, we need to add 1 cup of water and make small round mandu wraps. Then in separate bowl we need to take mashed potatoes, green chili, mint, coriander, lemon leaf, salt and cumin powder, which is also known as zira powder. Then taking 1 small mandu wrap, we need to take enough stuffing for 1 mandu. After that we need to wet the edges to seal it together. After we have done adding water to the edges, we need to fold it in half and then press the edges so that the stuffing doesn't come out. Then, taking it in hand, we need to pinch the 2 points together to give it a traditional mandu look. It looks cute, right? Then in another bowl with some water, we need to take any packet soup that we want from Knorr or Maggi or whatever, and then we take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it together so that we don't have any lump. In a separate pan, we need to get 4 cups of water, 1 fold of lemongrass and boil it. Then we need to pour the mixture into that 4 cup of water that was boiling earlier. We need to cook it until it thickens. To adjust the amount of salt, I have added 1 teaspoon of salt afterwards. Then we need to boil enough water to boil our mandu wraps. Then we need to drop it, and when they are floating above, we need to take it out of the pan, draining the excess water. We will pour over the soup that we have prepared earlier over the mandus. You can add ginger oil or chili oil according to your taste. You can choose whichever you want. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned with Handel for such delicious recipes.